Good morning. As you can see, I snuck in and I came into school today. We're going to be doing Chapter 10, pages 633 through 635. It is the chapter review test. So I won't be writing down a lot, if anything, but I will explain the pages as we go, okay? This is worth 12 points. So you want to get and listen so you know what you're doing, okay? Here we go. Number 1. We have 4 shapes. It wants you to mark under the shapes that can stack. So think of it. Can they stack on top of each other without falling off? Mark the 2 that can stack. And remember to always write your name. Number 2, they want the shape that looks like a sphere. So look at the ball, the shapes. Which shapes look like a sphere? Mark all the shapes that look like a sphere. Number 3, describe a cube. Look at our cube. Does it have 6 sides? If yes, mark yes. If no, mark no. Does it have 6 sides? Are the sides curved? If the sides are curved, mark yes. If not, mark no. Number 4, we're going to be drawing lines to match the objects to their shapes. So I'm going to do the first one. We already talked about spheres, so I have a tomato here and a sphere. So I'm going to draw a straight line. Draw a line to the box and to the tennis ball packet. What shapes do those two match? Match them up with their real shape. Number 5. Which objects are shaped like a cone? Think of a cone. Circle the shapes that are like a cone. You will need crayons for this next part. Circle the solid shapes blue. The solid shapes are the things you can put things in.
And Ashby, if you're in the building, would you please come to the office? Liz Ashby.
And then mark the flat shapes, the ones that you can't put in, that are flat. Color them red. The solid shapes are blue, the ones you can put things in. The flat shapes are red. All right, how you doing? Remember, you can always pause, do what you need to do, and then start the machine back up. Number 7. Draw an object that has the shape of a cylinder. There's our name again. So, think of a cylinder. Close your eyes. Think of a cylinder in your head. Now draw a cylinder. Draw a shape that looks like a cylinder. These are the ones that talked about where you are, the location pieces. So we have cylinders and we have cubes. They want you to circle the shapes that shows a cylinder above a cube. So is this cylinder above the cube? Is this the cylinder above the cube? Or is this the cylinder above the cube? Circle the ones that have the cylinder above the cube. Okay, now we have 4 shapes right next to each other. They want you to put an X on the shape of the cylinder that is next to the cone. So look for a cylinder first. And then mark the one that is next to the cone. Which cylinder is next to the cone? All right, we got a cute little truck on number 10. Put an X on the cone that is in front of the cube. So look for a cone first. Now look for a cube. You want to mark the cone that is in front of the cube. Which one is in front of the cube? Now on 11, look at all the shapes. It says to look for a cube first. Mark an X on the cube that is beside the cone. So you need a cube by a cone. Look for the cube by the cone. All right. Now we're looking at the hexagon. They want you to mark the shape that is below the hexagon. Mark the sphere that is below the hexagon. So here's my hexagon. Which shape is below it? Which sphere? Mark the sphere that is below the hexagon. Nice job. We have finished our quiz. Hope you have fun. Keep this, and I will let parents know what to do. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.